So what's up everybody, welcome to Home of Happy Minds. We received a corporate Diwali gift and we don't yet know what does it contain. So let us unbox that gift and check what's there inside. That is the Echo Dot itself, and beside it there is something else, the wires, I don't know. Yeah, that's the wires. And here we have the Alexa Echo Dot Generation 4. It has a nice rubber body and it is protected with a plastic casing right at the outside. And it's quite light in weight. Yeah, of course, all Bluetooth speakers will be light. So let us open the Alexa's plastic casing, and we have opened it. So let us set up our Alexa. Now for setting up our Alexa, we need to have the app called Amazon Alexa, which for me is over here. So you'll have to download this app. It is for free. It is available for Android, iOS, etc. Alright, now let us open this app. At first they'll ask you to sign in with your Amazon account, and then you will have to follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, now sadly Amazon Echo Dot, it's not wireless, meaning it has to be used with this cable. So you just plug in this cable and wait for some time till a blue light glows up. Yeah. and now it will start circling around like that, which means it is loading all its loading all its contents. When this circling stops, means that you are ready to go. At first I was confused with these buttons. I wasn't confused with the minus and plus button, but I was confused with these both buttons. This one is the action button, which disconnects your iPad from Bluetooth, and this one is the microphone off button. So yeah, now the circling has stopped, and if we tell something like Alexa, play some party music,
The station Bollywood Party on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. So it has stopped. You can also play games with Alexa. For example, I have chosen the Harry Potter official quiz. So let me tell that.
You've official Harry Potter quiz enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Welcome to the Harry Potter quiz from Pottermore Publishing and Audible. Ah, yes, I remember. You were playing for Slytherin on OWL level. We've got some exciting new changes. Each month, a new tournament will start. Keep an eye out for the double point days at the end of each month and on special Wizarding World days. See if you
I'm
can
so
get
excited.
to rank 1 and help your house prevail. Would you like to change your settings?
Yes.
Since there's a tournament going on, you can't change your house, but you can change the difficulty. Would you like to change your difficulty level?
No. So overall, I like the EcoDot 4th generation a lot. Its base quality is excellent, sound quality is awesome, and the material in which they built was outstanding. So I wish you a happy Diwali to you guys. Stay home, stay safe, peace.